Do you have foot pain in the arch or heel? It could be plantar fasciitis. Hi, my name is Rina Harris. I'm a functional podiatrist, and in this video, we're going to explore what plantar fasciitis is, what causes it, and how to treat it. Plantar fasciitis can be a complex condition, but our aim is to simplify this for you and give you some tips that will help you. So what is plantar fascia? Plantar fascia is this thick band of connective tissues that provides passive support to the arch. It works together with these muscles, the intrinsic foot muscles, particularly the flexor digitorum brevis, this muscle, which, as you can see, the muscle fibers run parallel with the plantar fascia. Studies have shown that weakness of these muscles contribute to plantar fasciopathy. So now I'm going to show you some great exercises that will help you. So let's go. So for this first exercise, you're going to need a band. So grab a band, place it on the floor, and place your whole foot on the band. Now you can do this standing, kneeling, or seated on the chair. And wrap the band around 2 to 5th toe. And from here, hold the band parallel with the shin so it doesn't crush the toes. Then I'd like you to lift the toes up as high as you can and then actively push down against the band, press into the ground for 2 seconds and then come up again. So it's very important that when you're doing this, you're not just going up and down like this, but you want to make it a bit more active. And that's by pushing down against the band, pressing into the ground for 2 seconds, and then coming up again. This exercise is great for those intrinsic foot muscles that we just talked about, particularly the flexor digitorum brevis. And keep doing this for 1 minute, 2 sets. For this second exercise, you're going to need a towel and a wall or a chair to hold on to. So grab the towel, roll it up, place your toes, just the toes up on the towel. Make sure your feet are parallel and about hip width apart. Hold on for balance. And from here, we're going to lift our heels as high as possible. Pause. And then slowly, to a count of 3, you're going to lower down. Let's do that again. Up. And then 1, 2, 3, down to the ground. This exercise is really good to strengthen the intrinsic and extrinsic muscles, which will help to offload that plantar fascia. I recommend 3 sets of 10 reps of these. For this exercise, it's really important that you have a wall or a stable chair to hold on to. So come to standing with feet hip width apart. Bend your knees a little bit here and lift the heels off the ground so you're just hovering. Hold them for balance. And from here, lean slightly forward and press the toes into the ground to activate those intrinsic muscles. This is an isometric hold, isometric strength drill. So you're going to stay here for 30 seconds, repeat 3 times. Wow, I really can feel that. Can you feel that? I really hope these tips have helped you. Just to recap, one of the leading causes of plantar fasciitis is weakness in the foot muscles. We have an in-depth course on plantar fasciitis on our platform. Head over to Vivo Health. And if you think you may be suffering from other foot conditions such as bunions or flat feet, check out these videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.